Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this video I am gonna show you how I deploy Monorepo project in Railway app. You can see I have deployed backend. This is the front end and this is the backend. If you open this URL and type users, you can see all users from here. And if you click here and click on this link, it will open the front end. Okay, you can see this I was make this project for applying a job. This is the requirement from the client that you need to make this website. When anyone visit, it will show the second how much time the user visiting the page. Okay, and from here you can make toggle active and inactive. You can see if you load, it will be still inactive, and if you toggle active, it will be activated. This is a very simple thing. From here you can search with the name. If there is no name, then it will not show the list. Here you can filter based on role. Okay, viewer, sort by name. You can sort by name, and this was the simple project. Let me know if you have any deployment issue with the Monorepo in Railway or Vercel or anywhere else. I can help you to deploy the project. I can also help you build a project from scratch. Okay, you can see this is a very simple project which I make for job apply. I mean interview, technical interview part. So this is the project. I also use Swigger because they also required Swigger for checking my ability. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.